Once again, everyone, thanks for joining us for another Ohio Health Medical Minute. My name is Marcus Thorpe. Happy to be joined by Lauren Esposito, who is a physical therapist with OhioHealth Neurological Rehab. Lauren, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
All right, it is MS Awareness Month. A lot of folks talking and thinking about multiple sclerosis, and for good reason. For somebody who has multiple sclerosis, what does that person go through on a day-to-day or week-to-week basis?
That's a great question. You know, it can be very different for each individual, and the symptoms can range from invisible symptoms such as just fatigue or heat sensitivity to outward symptoms such as weakness on one side or bilaterally, and it can really fluctuate day to day, so it makes it very difficult for some individuals.
So with those kind of symptoms, what kind of things do people need to be doing, or what can they do to help combat some of the symptoms of MS?
So I talk about exercise all the time because it is so important for fighting fatigue and weakness, and part of our daily life. We can use exercise to improve our cardiovascular fitness and our overall strength to make mobility easier and not so taxing throughout the day.
I know at OhioHealth, a lot of talk about wellness, super important when it comes to just taking care of yourself. How important is overall wellness when it comes to somebody with multiple sclerosis?
Yeah, so I think the most important thing when we're talking about wellness is what does wellness mean to our patients, those individuals living with MS. So we have to figure out what wellness means for them so we can create a plan for them. So some of our patients talk about thriving with their family, participating, bringing normalcy back to their day. And we have to figure out what their goals are and then link them into the different resources such as mindfulness or art therapy. So those different things that we have here at the hospital.
So somebody might not be familiar with MS Wellness. It's a program that I know that you run. Tell us a little bit about what MS Wellness is.
Yeah, MS Wellness is a 12-week series where you come twice a week to the McConnell Heart Health Center, and we actually partner with the Delaware YMCA as well, and we offer it there. They do spinning, strength training, balance, flexibility, you name it, over the 12-week series, and we also combine that with lecture.
Lauren, great information. Thanks very much.
Thank you for having me.
And if you'd like to learn more about the MS Wellness program, just ask your local provider or contact the clinic here at OhioHealth. And of course, anytime at OhioHealth.com. I'm Marcus Thorpe. Thanks for joining us for this OhioHealth Medical Minute.